Cryptocurrency credit cards are the link that connect crypto with real world usage. And so these cards play a very special role in the common goal that we all share, the mass adoption of cryptocurrency. The very first crypto card was launched all the way back in 2015 when Coinbase partnered with Visa. And since then, other exchanges like Binance, for example, have launched cards of their own. In 2020, we saw Crypto.com's Visa card spending growing 55% per user with a boost in online spending of over 117%. And so it's very clear that this trend is growing. It's very clear that more and more people are using these great cryptocurrency credit cards, and why not? They have terrific benefits. But which card is best for you? Which one offers the best advantages, the most appealing cashbacks, and is it going to stand the test of time? If these are the kinds of questions you've been asking yourself in your quest for the ultimate cryptocurrency credit card, stay tuned. We are reviewing 5 of our favorites in this video. Hey guys, my name is Maddie, and this is Altcoin Buzz, a crypto investment research company. We've been in this crypto space, I usually say 5 years, but technically it's our 6th year. And we've been making millionaires since all the way back in 2017. Our formula has been pretty consistent. We do a lot of deep research, and to the best of our ability, we try to identify high potential projects while they're still at a relatively low market cap. We have made some very public and some very transparent investments in big winners like Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Crypto.com, Engine, Matic Network, Chiliz, Quant Network, Polkadot, Uniswap, and many, many other 100x ROI projects. We are always on the hunt for the next big opportunity in this space. If you don't want to miss out on the next potential altcoin gem or crypto moonshot, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz. Also hit the bell to receive notifications. So much of the content that we put out, let's face it, is very time sensitive in this crypto blockchain space. And so by clicking the bell, you're allowing YouTube to alert you every time we publish new content. But if you want to go to the next level and gain exclusive access to our early research tips on the next potential 100x crypto, then you need to be part of our paid membership program, which is called Altcoin Buzz Access. It is now live. You can find a link and additional information in the description of this video. As always, before we proceed, nobody can predict the future 100%. Any kind of investment, whether crypto or otherwise, does have corresponding risk. And so just a gentle reminder that this video represents neither financial or investment advice. All right, with that being said, let's launch into our 5 favorite cryptocurrency credit cards by first taking a look at the platforms that represent them. At number 1 on our list, and full disclosure, my personal favorite, that should come as no surprise, I flashed it earlier, we're looking at the Crypto.com Visa card. Of course, Crypto.com and correspondingly CRO have been all over the news lately, but Crypto.com partnered with Visa specifically to develop a crypto card that lets anyone make offline and online purchases around the world, of course, using cryptocurrency. In this video, we're also going to be looking at the Wirex card, which allows you to spend several crypto and fiat currencies at the point of sale with real-time conversion, and importantly, no FX, that's no foreign exchange costs. And furthermore, it offers you up to 2% crypto back rewards on all of your shopping. And Wirex has also developed an account called X account where you can earn up to 16%, that's 16%, on selected currencies in a simple and secure way with no withdrawal fees. And to have that, you just need to have it set up in the Wirex app. It really only just takes a few clicks. And at number 3 on this list, we're also going to take a close look at the CryptoXpress card. According to its roadmap shown here, in March 2022, that's just a few months away, CryptoXpress is going to launch its debit card, which is going to be usable at global retail points of sale. Next up, we are considering the B21 international card that is available both on Android and iOS, and which lets users invest, earn, and spend their crypto worldwide. It is among the world's most widely accepted crypto credit cards right now. And then finally, last on the list, we're taking a look at the Weld Money Card, which is a payment option for kind of typical everyday costs with very low fees that can be backed up by any cryptocurrency wallet. So from a macro perspective and in general, why should you hold a crypto card in the first place? Here are some of the basic features that are kind of common to all of these. Some of the reasons, in our opinion, include the fact that you want to benefit from staking, from some of the cashback incentives. Percent discounts are a really big deal. You also, for certain cards, get terrific airport lounge access and free ATM withdrawals. But with these 5 great cards, you're also going to find a lot of additional benefits. So we're going to run through them now in more detail. Let's begin with Crypto.com's card. Their Visa prepaid card has 7 tiers, which lets users have access to research reports, event access, and a personalized customer service. Also, this line of crypto credit cards can be managed in the Crypto.com app in both the Android as well as the iOS versions. And here's the cool thing. You can get access to these cards for a minimum staking amount of 0 USD or 0 CRO, all the way up to the equivalent of 400,000 US dollars. And each tier has different benefits. Here are just some of them. Using the cards, you can win CRO rewards anywhere between 1% and 8%. You can also make ATM withdrawals with different monthly limits. You get all kinds of free subscription benefits such as Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Expedia reimbursements. You also get that airport lounge access that we talked about. You get bonus rewards as well as exclusive merchandise and even a private jet membership. Pretty much everything that a normal credit card would not offer you, or at least would not offer you for free. And the thing is, whether you choose to pay 0 or 400,000, you're not paying a sunk cost. That just takes the form of CRO that you're staking, which you can always unstake and spend or cash out if you so choose. Let's consider now the Wirex card. So apart from the features we discussed for Crypto.com's 7 card tiers, the Wirex card has these additional features. So with Wirex cards, you can save up to 3% on overseas transactions. The cards pick the best possible exchange rate at that moment. And that's a big deal if you're dealing, whether for business or pleasure, in international expenses. You can also spend 9 currencies at live real rates at any place where MasterCard is accepted worldwide. There's instant in-app alerts that help you keep track of your payments, and crypto-backed rewards pay back up to 2% in Wirex's native token, which is WXT, in offline and online spending. You get up to 400 euros monthly equivalent in ATM withdrawals and no monthly maintenance charge. As we mentioned, CryptoXpress's card is really just starting and hence is basic for the time being, but does have a very good network. You can buy and sell Bitcoin or other cryptos and altcoins in 179 countries. And for that reason, among others, we feel this card is going to do pretty well in the long run. On the other hand, the B21 card also comes in 3 tiers. There's teal, there's gold, and there is black, and these all come with different locking periods, load limits, and B21 locking and monthly charges. If you pick one of the B21 cards, you can also avail yourself of benefits like a spend portfolio value using the card. You can make purchases online and at retail stores all around the world and in more than 45 million locations as far as merchants that offer it. You can access cash at ATMs all over the world, and you can convert instantly your crypto to fiat and load to your card. Next up is the Weld Money Card, and this card, by the way, is compatible with centralized and decentralized exchanges, as well as wallets like Binance, Kraken, Huobi, Coinbase, Bitfinex, Ethereum, Bitcoin, MetaMask, and Tether. And also the card is powered by Visa and MasterCard, which can be synchronized with Apple Pay and Google Pay. And as you can see, it's very convenient because you can add any wallet from a third-party service or cryptocurrency exchange, and it allows credits and a cashback system as well. Okay, so we've talked about the individual benefits that each of these cards have on offer, but let's switch gears and talk about kind of the publicity and marketing arms of each of these platforms in terms of the partnerships. Let's begin with Crypto.com and their Visa card. So the Crypto.com prepaid card is backed, of course, by Crypto.com, which has leading partners, as you can see here, like Formula One, PSG, that's Paris Saint-Germain, Serie A, UFC, Twitch, the Montreal Canadiens, my hometown favorites, as well as many others. Also, Crypto.com is built on a solid foundation of security, privacy, and compliance. And you should note that as of just recently, the Crypto.com Visa card is available officially in Brazil. Next up, we have Wirex, which is one of the most secure crypto cards available. Also, Wirex is helping and making major strides in reforestation initiatives, because every time a user orders a card, Wirex plants not 1, but 5 trees. Furthermore, Wirex is rewarding its users with 22.22 euros in WXT for shopping during the Singles Day sales with their Wirex cards. And if you open an X account today, users can also get 10% of Bitcoin in interest for a year. Let's talk now about the CryptoXpress card. Quite impressively, they've partnered with some very important companies in the crypto ecosystem, such as Binance, Polygon, TrustPad, Gate.io, and many others, as you can see. And CryptoXpress's partnership with Polygon offers cross-chain NFTs in the Ethereum blockchain and Binance Smart Chain. Now looking at B21, their international card has partnered with Polygon as well, and so users can use its blockchain to stake its native token, Matic. Also, the B21 card has partnered with the crypto game Yield Guild, that's YGG, to airdrop 300 NFTs to all YGG coin users. In addition, B21 has partnered with the likes of Cardano and Dogecoin, which is going to allow B21 users to buy those cryptocurrencies in the B21 app. Okay, let's talk Weld's money card. It's important to note that the card has partnered with Wirex, making the Weld token available in the browser version of the Wirex wallet. And in addition, Weld Money has recently partnered with Rosion Finance, which is a large DeFi, decentralized finance platform. And Weld has also partnered with some terrific strategic collaborators in the crypto space, such as Magnus Capital, Kite, Kaizen Finance, and others. And you may not have known this, but the Weld Money Card is the first official payment solution in Ukraine. This is a country that obviously has one of the highest crypto adoption rates in the world. We've been talking about this for years, so that's a pretty notable observation. And finally, security is a top priority for Weld Money. Therefore, Weld Money was formally certified with Kite Consultants. Okay, next up, we're going to be discussing access, fill up, and fees. And so in this section, we're going to break down some of the technical requirements that users need in order to activate and use their cryptocurrency credit cards. We begin with crypto.com. So the whole idea here is that you need to stake its native token CRO for a period of 180 days to apply for a Crypto.com Visa card. Each card has a different amount of staked CRO as a requirement in order to be eligible for that card. So to do so, first sign up for a Crypto.com app account and complete their KYC verification. Next, purchase or transfer CRO tokens and deposit them into your crypto wallet in that app. If you buy CRO directly in the app, then there is actually no action required. The amount of CRO depends on the card tier you're applying for. The higher you go, the more CRO is required. But on the other hand, you can also fill your card using your fiat wallet, crypto wallet, or credit or debit card using the Crypto.com app. There are different fees and limits associated with all of the different tiers that Crypto.com cards offer. Our recommendation would be to check out the cards section of the website in order to gain full information on exactly what each of these sets of fees and limits are for each corresponding level or tier. Okay, let's now consider Wirex. So to get a Wirex card, you're going to first need to open a Wirex account. Then you can install the Wirex app in either iOS or Android, shown here. To fill up the prepaid Wirex card, you need to previously load the Wirex app. And there are no fees in ATM withdrawals up to the equivalent of 400 euros. After that, there is a 2% fee for bigger amounts. Now, just to be crystal clear, there are fees associated with the 3 different tiers that Wirex offers. You can check them out in the wirexapp.com/pricing section. But they do have a standard option which starts as a free service. That is to say, there are no fees associated with the entry-level plan. All right, next up is the CryptoXpress card. And to get one of these cards, you're going to need to download the app, which as of this recording is only available in Android. And then you're going to have to open an account inside the app and sync it. Also, as of December 2021, people can fill the card with fiat money. And you're going to be able to do so at 0% fees and commissions on buying and selling crypto. The B21 card is next. To get a free card, similarly, you can download the app in Android as well as iOS, so this platform offers both. Then you need to lock in B21 tokens on the mobile app and claim the free card. Also, to fill the B21 card, it kind of depends on the limits of each one. So do keep that in mind and do refer to their website for additional information on card fee schedules and how they're broken down internationally. And finally, we're considering again the Weld Money card. Anyone can request the Weld Money card by entering the website. Then you click on the Request Card Now button, then fill out the form. It's very simple. It has a 0% fee for issuance and 0% monthly commissions for purchases. There is a 3% fee for ATM withdrawals, however, and POS, that's point of sale purchases. So we realize that there's a lot of information here in this video, and in some cases you may need to tailor your approach based on what may be available in your region or your geography, or what your spending habits are, or where you're currently invested when it comes to your cryptocurrency assets. So here's a table that we think is going to be very useful as a bit of a summation of all the points that we've made. If need be, feel free to pause the video at this point. But here we have, again, the 5 companies that we've considered: Crypto.com, Wirex, CryptoXpress, B21, and Weld. Now, all of these are worldwide, but there are some pros and cons, I suppose you could say, with each when it comes to their concepts, their features, their access, their fill-up methods, and their fees. Now, my recommendation personally is to deep dive a little bit further into all of their websites. Really make sure you understand some of their fees, because that's not something that's going to be easily communicated here in a short YouTube video. Make sure you understand the fees. Make sure you have a sense of your thesis, what it is you want a crypto card for, whether it's the passive interest, whether it's staking bonuses, whether it's the cash back, whether it's some of the benefits and the exclusive perks that it provides. But just understand your thesis as to why you want one, have a sense of how much you want to pay, if anything, for your card, and then you can make your decision based on the information that's available here. So good luck. Now, this is not the kind of video where, after analyzing all of these 5 different platforms, we come down with one objective winner. It's not the case. These 5 different companies are offering 5 very distinct products, each of which may appeal to different people. And it just really comes down to your circumstance. Anecdotally, based on my spending habits, based on what I'm trying to accomplish, and based on my geography, I personally prefer the Crypto.com Visa card. I actually held on to this card right here, and they were able to upgrade me recently into the icy white rose gold status, which is pretty cool. I'm getting there. I'm chasing after that obsidian black. Hope to get there one day. It's a great credit card for my money, but as always, guys, this is a rather subjective decision. So these are certainly the top 5 across the world in our opinion, but which one is right for you is going to depend. Go back to our table and really study some of those details in granular detail if need be before you make your decision. Either way, we think all of these platforms are definitely going to become leaders in the cryptocurrency credit card space, which itself is booming, and which itself, of course, is a positive sign of mass adoption. Once again, guys, none of this is financial advice, but best of luck if you do choose to invest. If you're still watching after all of this information, do us a favor, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other videos, which should be popping up right about now, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Stay safe, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.